Hello, my name's Logan Ward. I'm 14 years old and I'm from Ferndale in the Rhondda Fach.
Hi Logan, tell us about some of your experiences and involvements.
I've had lots of experience at a national and local level, serving in the Swim Wales Youth Advisory Board. After being recently appointed, serving in my school Senedd for a second term, which embodies lots of trust, where I believe my fellow pupils trust me. I'm a former year representative, where I led a successful team into improving the school in positive ways. I also served in the Crew Cymraeg, which allowed me to empower Welsh language and culture, which is hugely important to me.
Amazing. So what makes you the right person to represent RCT as an MYP?
I believe I'm the right person to represent RCT in the UK Youth Parliament. My qualities, such as being approachable, kind, caring and empathetic, are key qualities to have in this role. I'm a good communicator, listener and writer, improving things that are given to me in an informal manner that I can deliver in a formal manner. My determination, commitment and passion will drive me to lead RCT in the best way possible.
So what's one thing people might not know about you?
People may not know that I'm captain of Rhondda Swimming Club Boys, and I love it. I support people's well-being, guide them and support them. I also love history and culture. I had an amazing opportunity to go to the Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, which allowed me to learn more about different cultures and diversity as a whole.
And why should young people vote for you in the MYP election?
I believe I'm the right person to be voted for, as I believe I am not doing it for personal recognition. I am doing it because I want young people's voices across RCT to be heard, and I will be the one to listen to them and to embody their voices within my day-to-day commitments and role as MYP.